Hey guys, I'm Daya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I straighten my natural hair with zero heat damage. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, then just keep watching this video. Okay, so I did shampoo and condition off camera. I shampooed with the Redken All Soft Mega Shampoo from Ulta, and then I deep conditioned with the TGIN hair mask, and I love this stuff. It is amazing. I get it from Target and I think it's about $18. So yeah, and I just have my hair air drying for a little while. It's about 50% dry now, and there is no products in my hair currently. I did want to show you guys what my hair looked like before I straightened it, just to show you guys that there is some previous heat damage that has been there, and it's slowly starting to grow out. If you guys did not know, heat damage is not reversible. You have to either grow the hair out or cut it in order for it to go away. So I'm just starting to let it grow out, and yeah, that's what my hair is looking like right now. You guys can see there are some curls back here. It's really tightly curled back here, but my hair is very, very thick. I've only been natural for probably like a little over 2 years now. So yeah, that's what my hair's looking like. So we're just gonna go ahead and start this process. My hair is super thick, and the only way I can get my hair bone straight is if I blow dry my hair in smaller sections. A heat protectant, and it cuts your blow dry time in half. And then my other heat protectant is the Tresemme Platinum Strength. So I'm going to be spraying all three of these products in each section of my hair before I start blow drying. So I like to brush all those products throughout my hair before I start blow drying, and then I put my blow dryer on high heat. There goes my blow dryer attachment. My hair is so thick, this thing falls out several times while I'm trying to blow dry my hair. So if you guys know of any really good blow dryers with a concentration nozzle on it, please let me know down below in the comment section. So I like to straighten my hair in small sections just because my hair is super thick, and I also like to use the chasing method, but instead of using a comb, I prefer to use a brush just because a brush has more bristles than a comb has teeth, and I feel like it gets my hair even straighter. The flat iron I'm using is by the brand Sedu. It's an 1.5 inch flat iron. The temperature goes up to about 410. I like to keep mine at like 380 and only pass through my hair like once or twice. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish straightening my hair, and I'll be back to show you guys what my hair looks like the next day. So now I'm just gonna unwrap my hair, and I don't like to use any clips or bobby pins in my hair when it's wrapped, just because I want to avoid as many dents as possible. So yeah, that is how I get my hair super straight with no heat damage. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.